Good morning and welcome everybody today to the sermon. Honorable Secretary Committee members, respectable head teachers, assistant head teachers, assistant teachers, and 6 to 10 of the students present in from the stage, take my salam, assalamu alaikum, and my adab. This event is organized to welcome you freshers to this traditional school. As a student of class 8, feel very happy to have opportunity to say something to welcome you. I am glad today that you are going to start your new school's life as a student of class 6 of Charles A. named institution. This institution is a reputed institution across the country. The teachers here are very sincere and cooperative. On this day, I hope that you can increase the reputation of this school in the future. You have entered a completely new and literary realm of knowledge. I hope that you will shine the face of the country and the nation. Precious friends, our various school exam results are always very good. Every year, more than one student gets merit list place. It is a great honor for us. Therefore, as a student of class 8, I hope that you will associate yourself with the reputation of this school. With this, conclude to my short speech. Thank you all listening to my short speech. Assalamu alaikum.
ধন্যবাদ ফারদিন হাসানকে তার সুন্দর ইংরেজি বক্তব্য উপস্থাপনের জন্য। এই পর্যায়ে একটি